Good morning. Welcome to our math online classes. Kids, I hope you're having a good time and enjoying your free time, but this is not going to be free time. Today's topic is about changing mixed numbers into... Okay, guys. Well, let's imagine that we have a mixed number. Let's use this mixed number. It's 1 and 3/4. Okay. 3 and 1 and 1 and 3/4. What does that mean? That means that I have an apple or a bread, whatever, and another one. This bread is completely it's whole, and this is divided in 4 parts, from which I only have used 3. So, what's the meaning of this mixed number? One whole number and a fraction. How do we represent this? Well, it's represented in a number line. Well, a number line is very important for us to understand. What's a number line? Number line is a line that represents numbers. Okay? In this case, we're going to begin with 0, with 1 and 2. And let's divide spaces from here in 1/2, and the half of the half is going to be 1/4 and another 1/4. So we have 1/4, 1/2, and this is going to be 3/4, and this is going to be 1. And again we're going to have 1 and 1/2. How about if we divide it here? This will be 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. And here we have 1 plus 2 halves. Okay? So if you add, this will be 1 and 1, this will become 2. Okay? All right, now let's represent what we have. Originally we have 1 and 3/4. Now, how can we change it into an improper fraction? Well, we change it by doing this. We use 1, we multiply by the denominator, and we add the numerator. So what's the answer? 1 times 4 is 4 plus 3 is 7/4. Okay, so this number has been changed into this. And let's see if it works. How many fourths do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7/4. So that means that our mixed number is represented like this. It's represented all the way here. So this is 7/4. Okay? Is it understood? Very good. Here we have 1 and 1/4, 1 and 2/4, 1 and 3/4. Okay, so this is the way we represent the mixed number into the number line. If you divide the fractions in 4, here we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then you make these numbers change from the mixed number to an improper fraction, then you can represent it. Well, but it's kind of difficult to do all the time this kind of drawings. What happens if we can do it in an easier way? Let's imagine that we have this mixed number. Well, I would have to do all this number line, but if I use this formula, it would be easier to multiply just 2 times 7 and add the numerator. Okay, this will be multiplied 2 times 7 and this will be added. So what's the answer? This is going to be 2 times 7 is 14. 14 plus 8 is going to be 18. And my improper number is going to be 18/7, which is going to be equal to 2/4. Very simple. Well, let's check another number. Here we have this another example. 10/1/6. Well, we follow the same example. We multiply 10 times 6 and we add 1. What's the answer? The answer is going to be 60 plus 1, 61 divided by 6. Okay? And this is going to be, of course, equal to 10/1/6. Okay, another example. Let's see it. If we have 5, 6 9s, we follow the same procedure. All right? So, multiply 5 times 9 plus 6. Remember, we have to multiply this. What's the answer? This is going to be 45 plus 6 equals 51. 51 9s. Okay, well, in this case, I have to be very careful because these are numbers that could be simplified to a lowest form. Well, 9 is a multiple of 3. 6 plus 1 is 6, which is a multiple of 3. Well, I can simplify. There are three 3's in 9. Here is 1. And I left 2. So 21 divided by 3 is going to be 7. 7 times 3, 21. So the answer will be here 17/3, which is an improper fraction. And of course, it will be equal to 5 6/9. Well, I think you will understand this very easily. It's not difficult. So I wish you to have a good day. See you next class. Bye.